Sam here, and today we're going to be doing a review of the Rubik's Speed Cube. So yeah, I hope this is the Rubik's Speed Cube, and it's really good. I like it for it's like my first Speed Cube. Yeah, my first Speed Cube. So yeah, it's a good one to start off because it's like really controllable. Oh my god. And the only bad thing is it corner twists, but that's just because of my tensions that I have it on. Like, I know it's like, doesn't look like that's pretty loose right there. So yeah, it's pretty good. I might do a solve on it, but I might speed it up, just so you know. I'm not solving it like that. I'm gonna speed it up. So yeah, it's really good, and I enjoyed solving it. The shades are they contrast really good. Yeah, and it doesn't pop. And you can take off the things to tension it and lube the core. I have lubed this with the Speed Cube lube that it came with, and it's really good. So yeah, I like it a lot. I saw it at my local toy store, and it was pretty cheap. And it was funny because I was going for my Secret Santa at my school. I was going to look, and I just kept on saying to my dad, I want that. And he was like, do you? And I eventually got it for Christmas. So, yeah. Not much to say about it. It's a Rubik's Cube that is reasonably good, so I'll do a solve from this angle. I don't know if it's going to turn out that well, but I'll do a solve from this angle because I feel like that's better, so yeah. Slide.
So, let's do this.
So that's it. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed that little solve. It locks up a lot. That's because I need to get used to the tensions. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all later. Bye.